Here we are taking a nice stroll down the boardwalk on the malecón. There is a wonderful breeze, as you can see, looking at the umbrellas. We enjoy looking at the ocean. It's so beautiful. Although we've only been in it once, we prefer looking and being on the water fishing versus swimming in it. Bugatti, helado con queso, ice cream with cheese. Steve has been requesting to go there, but I don't think my stomach would tolerate all that lactose. Our friends have been talking about Marco's Pizza for a while, so they invited us to his pizzeria. Here you can see Marco preparing his pizzas. Marco speaks 3 different languages: Chinese, Spanish, and English. We had a great conversation while he prepared our pizza. Marco immigrated from Taiwan at a young age with his parents. He built the oven you see behind him by hand. This is one of 2 ovens. The first one, he said, took him 3 months to build at his location in Quito. This one took him 3 weeks to build at this location. Perfecto, an amazing pizza. This is a public square on the La Libertad malecón. There is a playground for kids and vendors during the day. There is also a library. Pollo Crunchy, a restaurant that has very inexpensive meals for families. Here you see the barrier breaks up the waves for the locals to enjoy the beach area. You also see the barrier can cause waves that cross each other. Later, we stop for dessert and coffee. The crepes and the cappuccinos are so good. We would definitely be back. Here we are at Guapa's Cafe. It is a locally owned cafe by an Ecuadorian woman who prepares your meals by order. Her place is very warm and inviting. The food is awesome. If you're ever in the area, please stop by and try the hallacas and empanadas. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Talk to you soon.